In this video, I'm going to show you how to play music offline in Spotify. So if you don't have an internet connection, but you still want to play your Spotify music, I'm going to show you how to do this in a couple of easy steps. So first thing we're going to do is open up the Spotify app, and now we need to create a playlist for all of our offline music. So all we need to do is locate the first song that we want to listen to offline. You can click on the three horizontal dots next to that song and click on Add to Playlist. You can either add it to an existing playlist or you can just click New Playlist. I'm going to give this the name of Offline and click on Create. Now you can basically continue doing this with all of the music that you want to listen to offline. So I'm going to add multiple songs just by clicking Add to Playlist, and I'm going to keep adding them to this offline playlist. Now once you've finished, click on your library at the bottom of this page and then click on your offline playlist. You can then click on the three horizontal dots next to the profile picture and click on Download. Now that's going to download all of this music to the Spotify app, and you'll be able to listen to this without an internet connection. Just bear in mind that you will need Spotify Premium in order for this feature to work.